Some of you are business owners. How can you come out of that rat race, 9 to 5 job? If you love it, how can you go to the top of that? Why to stay as a manager or as president, vice president? Why can't you be the CEO of the company? When you connect to yourself, the day you connect to yourself, the whole world will connect with you. That's the only thing that we have to do. And finding your passion, your mission, your purpose is nothing but connecting to yourself. And once you get connected to yourself, the whole world will come to know about you. Are you able to understand what I'm saying? Able to understand? Type in the comment section. It's $1 million information, people. It's not just like, some information. It's $1 million information. The day you understand it, I keep repeating the same information again and again and again and again. It's $1 million information. Yeah. So when you connect to yourself, the whole world will connect with you. Yes. So what is the next thing? Dream. Many people have dream. When you go and watch a movie and you see a big car, you see Mercedes, you see BMW, you see different sports car, Ferrari, you see beautiful destinations, you see foreign countries. I want to go there. I want to have this car. I want to have this beautiful, rich lifestyle. I want to have that. But 90% of the times, it is only a day after the movie is over. What did you do after that? 90 plus percent of the people do not do anything about it. But I don't want you to be the part of 90% because I am on this journey with you. To believe on one thing, people who have dream and they have the burning desire. You can understand what I'm trying to tell you. You need to have that burning desire.